Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the fourth question of the paper. So as you can see, there's a factory that supplies boxes of children's bricks. So each box contains 10 randomly chosen large bricks and 20 randomly chosen small bricks. Now, the masses in grams of large and small bricks have the distribution of n with 60, 1.2 and 30, 0.7. Now, the mass of an empty box is 8 grams. Find the probability that a total weight of a box and its contents is less than 1200 grams. So, see, there's a lot of information thrown towards us. So, let's do one thing. Let's just write all the information down. We can write this as large bricks, okay, and small bricks. Now what we can do is, we know in a normal distribution, the distribution is the mean, comma, the variance. Agreed? So basically for a large brick, the mean I know is 60, the variance is 1.2. Similarly, for a small brick, the mean is 30 and the variance is 0.7. Okay, this is what I can say. Now, what do I need? I need the probability of the total weight, okay, total weight of the box and its contents to be less than 1200 grams. Now, a box I know will have 10 large bricks plus 20 small bricks, but plus the weight of the box itself when it's empty, which I know is 8. Plus 8, okay, and this needs to be less than 1200. So now what we need to do is, we need to first find the mean, okay, of 10L plus 20S plus 8, which is equal to 10 into the mean, which I know is 60, plus 20 into 30 plus 8, which will give me an answer of 1208. Now what I do is I'll make it here. I calculate my variance. Okay, the variance of 10L plus 20S plus 8. So this will basically be 10, not 10 square, because these are independent bricks. You're taking them out randomly. So 10 into the variance, which is 1.2 plus 20 into 0.7. In variance, you need to know variance does not include constants. So variance has these kind of conditions, like it does not have negatives, it does not have constants. So you need to remember these important properties. Okay, so when you do this, you basically get answer as 26 as the variance. Now what I simply do is I make a normal distribution curve. Okay, I know my mean is 1208. I know my value is 1200, which I know lies before the mean. Now the area I need is less than 1200. That means this is the area I need. Okay, so what I simply need to do here is, my z is equal to the value minus the mean over the standard deviation. My value I know is 1200. So it's basically 1200 minus 1208 over, I know my variance is 26 and standard deviation is the square root of variance. So the value I get is simply 1200 minus 1208 over the root of 26, for which I get the value minus 1.5689. Now see, I need less than the value. That means I do phi of minus 1.5689. Okay, so now if I need the phi, what I can do is I can simply write this as, what I can do is on the calci, so on the calculator, what I can do simply is I can click on mode. When I click on mode, I can click on 3 where stat is written. Okay, when I click on that, I can simply click on AC, and when I click on AC, I can click on shift. When I click on shift, I can click on 1. Okay, then I can click on 5 where distribution is written. Now when you click on 5 on your display, you'll get 4 boxes. Okay, something like this. So what you need to do is, you need to know that option 1, which is P, basically means less than of that Z value, and R basically means more than of the Z value. In this case, we need the less than because of the fee, correct? So what I simply do is I click on 1. So when I click on 1, I get P with a bracket like this. In the bracket, I put this Z value, which is minus 1.5689. Okay. And now when I click on equal to, after putting that, I get my answer as 0.0583, which is basically the final answer of my question.